Most pharmacy students are invisible online, and that's exactly why they miss internships, mentors, and job offers. In this video, I'll show you why LinkedIn is the most powerful tool to grow your career, even before you graduate. Hey everyone, I'm your mentor from KSK Meds, and this is the start of a special series that will help you go from a pharmacy student to a professional ready for your dream job. Let's begin with the most important foundation, your LinkedIn profile. Many of us focus on exams, projects, and internships, but never on visibility. We work hard, but no one outside college knows what we're doing. That's where most careers get stuck. LinkedIn is not just a social media site, it's your digital resume, networking hub, and opportunity board, all in one place. Did you know? Over 90% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates. And many healthcare companies now check LinkedIn before shortlisting resumes. Even pharmacovigilance, clinical research, and regulatory roles are advertised here first. For us in pharmacy, LinkedIn is where you'll find mentors, global case study discussions, and openings in hospitals, and pharma companies. You can even publish your case reports, share drug updates, or connect with professionals from India to Europe. When I started posting about pharmacovigilance and projects, I connected with people from major pharma companies. That's how real opportunities begin. If you're not on LinkedIn, you're invisible outside your college. Imagine two Pharm.D students, one visible online, one not. The visible one gets internships, collaborations, and interviews because recruiters already know their name. So here's what LinkedIn can do for you. Show your professional identity. Help you connect with mentors, let you share your work or knowledge, help recruiters find you, build your personal brand early. In the next video, I'll help you set up your LinkedIn step by step, from profile photo to banner to the perfect headline, everything that makes recruiters stop and look at your profile. So, if you're ready to take your career seriously, hit subscribe, comment, I'm ready, and start your pharmacy career transformation with me, step by step.